Good morning, children. So let's start exercise 2.2 of linear equation in one variable. So our first question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? See, these questions are given in a form of puzzle, okay, statement form. So you can find them as puzzles, okay. So whatever question is saying, we will do the same thing. Okay, so first of all, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, from what? From a number. That number we don't have. We don't know that number. Okay, so what we will do? We will suppose that number. Okay, so solution. So what we will write? Let the number be x or any other variable you can keep. Okay, so let the number be x. Now, what the question is saying? According to question. What is according to question? If you subtract 1 by 2 from number, this number, from this number, if we will subtract 1 by 2 and multiply the result, means this one result. If we will multiply by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8, means it will be equals to 1 by 8. Okay. Now, we will solve it. Now what we will do? We will multiply this and this using distributive law. Okay? Using distributive law. So here what we will do? We will multiply this 1 by 2 with x. Okay? And 1 by 2 with 1 by 2, 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 8. So x by 2 is equals to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. After transposition, this negative sign will become positive here. Okay. Now solve it. Now how will you solve it? You will just take LCM of 4 and 8. See here, 4 and 8. So first we will start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are, again with 2. 2 1s are 2. Okay. So what else we are getting? 8. So here we will write 8. Now what we will do? We will make denominator both the side 8. Here it is already 8. So this one will remain 1. And this one 4 into 2. So in numerator also we will multiply by 2. So what we will get? X by 2 is equals to 3 by 8. Okay. Now next thing, x is equals to 3 by 8 and this 2 will go there, here. Okay. Why? Because here it is dividing x. Here it will be multiply. Okay. Now 2 4s are 8. So x is equals to 3 by 4. This is the number. Got, students? Now here is question number 2. Okay. So from your book, exercise 2.2, question number 2 is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 more than twice its breadth. What is the length and breadth of the pool? Now see here. First of all, what is given? We will write here. Whatever is given. Okay. So what is given? Perimeter is given. Perimeter of rectangular pool. Okay. Rectangular pool is given 154 meter. Okay. Now next thing is given, the length is 2 more than twice its breadth. So what we will let? Let the breadth. Let the breadth be x meter. Got? Now length is, according to that, length will be 2 meter more than twice its breadth. 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice of breadth. Okay. 2 will be added. 2 more than twice its breadth. So it means 2 into breadth is x. 2 more means 2 plus. Okay. Now according to question, thing is given perimeter, main thing is given perimeter. Okay, perimeter is given 154. Now perimeter of rectangular pool is asked. So rectangle is asked. So perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B. Okay, so 2 will remain same. L plus B. L is 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. And breadth is again x. It is 154. Now see, what we can do is, first we will solve them inside this bracket only. So, one more thing. This one bracket is outside whole. So this 2, this whole, and this is again can be divided by 2. So we will divide the whole equation by 2. Okay. So here we will write dividing the equation by 2. Equation I have written now. So it means LHS and RHS both. We will work on both the side. So if we will divide it by 2, this 2 will be vanished now. What is remaining? 2x plus x I am writing together, and plus this 2 I am writing here. Okay. Is equals to 2 sevens are 14 and again 2 sevens are 14. Got? With 2 we have multiplied the whole equation. Now this one will become 3x plus 2 is equals to 77. Now 3x is equals to 77 minus 2. This will transpose here and become negative. So 3x is equals to how much? 75. Okay. So x is equals to how much? 75 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. X is equals to 25. Means breadth we got is 25 meter. Okay, now we have to find out the length. Now how we will find out length? We will keep value of x over here. Got? So breadth is 25. So length will become 2 into 25 plus 2. So 2 into 25 is 50 plus 2. That is 52 meter. This is the length. So length is 52. Breadth is 25 meter. Here you will write down breadth is equals to 25 meter. You will write unit also. Otherwise, marks will be deducted. Okay.